Hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 17 till the 23rd of August 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, we have the devil in reverse. So somebody is feeling like they are losing their, okay, somebody is feeling like they're not feeling as obsessed with you, as possessive about you, about this situation, the way they used to be at some point of time. They're feeling like their obsession, their possessiveness is not as much stronger, or your hold on them is not that much stronger anymore. Let's clarify the devil in reverse as their feelings for you. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Nine of Wands, the High Priestess. Yes, now this person is feeling like the tables are turning, the energies are shifting, the emotions are changing, and with each passing day, they are getting more and more clearer, and they feel like they should start keeping their guards up, and they should just allow this situation to go. Wow, somebody is not feeling the grip of this situation on them as hard as they used to feel, and they're realizing that they should just let it go and do their own thing, although they're not completely able to let it go completely out of this situation. But with each passing day, they're getting more and more clearer and more free from the situation. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? This is somebody with whom you are not having a strong connection with from last 9 to 10 months, but you guys are still in connection somehow. From your side, okay, from your side, you feel Six of Wands. You're feeling like you're also growing, you're also glowing, you're also doing your own thing, and you are being fantastic in your life, in your energies, and wherever you are, whatever you are doing, you're feeling good about it. Let's clarify the Six of Wands as your feelings for this particular person or situation. We have the Lovers and the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Swords. Yes, you found somebody else. Either you found a new person, a new energy that you're super connected to, or you found another reason to live your life to the fullest. You are feeling happy, you're feeling extremely happy, you're feeling like you're coming out of a very stressful phase of your life, and you are being able to focus on your own happiness. You are being able to attract more people, more energies, more beautiful kind of things towards you in your life, and you are feeling more connected to yourself and your goals and your happiness in life. That's cool. That's really good. Very good. I'm so proud of you and happy for you. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Virgo? Queen of Swords. This person wants to be practical, very logical, and they want to have a cutthroat approach in the situation. Like, this is what it is. They want to be very practical, logical, and clear in their intentions and their energies towards you, towards the situation. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords as their intentions in this particular situation. We have the Page of Wands, the Death card, the Six of Wands. This person also wants to end this connection, this on and off connection, in and out connection. They just want to end this connection. They also want to focus on their individual life, on their own growth, on their own happiness. They also want to move towards a life of success and victory. Okay, so they're getting inspired from you that you're super focused on yourself and you're happy. They also want to follow the same route, whatever you call it. Route. A lot of people call that route. I get confused between route and route, so I call it route. So in India, everyone have their own pronunciation. If you're getting the meaning of my words, we are good to go. So they also want to follow the same path that you are on, and they also want to be their own happiness. What is happening? You guys are finally moving on. You guys are finally at peace with each other with this situation. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation? You might be physically over long time ago, but energetically now you are setting yourself free, both of you. Let's see, what do you want from the situation? Page of Pentacles. You somehow wants to keep things cordial. You don't want to be an enemy. You don't want to be in this position where you are never going to talk to this person again. Not like that. You just want to have a cordial connection or bond with this person. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles as your intentions for this particular person or situation. We have the Judgment, the Five of Pentacles, Ten of Swords. Yes, you want to, you just you just want to release the being in the victim mode kind of energy, being affected by this breakup or separation or this change in heart kind of energy. You just want to release every painful experience, every hurtful moment of the situation to the universe, and you just want to have a cordial friendly connection with this person, where both of you can maybe talk to each other like whenever you want to, or both of you can have at least a friendship kind of a bond where you are not suffering, you are not closing the door. If they want to talk to you, if they want any help, you are good to go, you are ready to give them that kind of support. That is what your energies are, intentions are towards this situation. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 23rd of August, Virgo. We have the Queen of Wands. Nah, you don't care about this person's existence anymore. You're like sitting in your power, doing your thing, looking good, feeling good, making everything about you and your life and moving forward. You're like, yeah, this thing long gone. Yeah, we can we can still remain friends, but I'm okay by myself. Okay. So we have the Ace of Wands and the Emperor and the Queen of Cups. You are certainly, for most of you, you are finding a new person, new energy, or you might have already found a new person, new energy. You are super excited, super connected. You guys are having a good sex life also. You seem like you are in the control, or you are the in charge of the situation, or you are making the situation go according to your plans, according to your thoughts, according to your feelings. And there's a lot of love also. There is someone that you are very much interested in. There is someone that is very much interested in you, but you are following the one that you are very much interested in, and that makes you feel very happy, very excited about life. At the same time, this is a situation that is making you feel like growing up in maturity, growing up in energies, understanding what to do and what not to do next. Okay. So you are following your heart, and while following your heart, you're connected to another energy, and that is making you feel at the top of the world, and that is making you feel like you're growing, you're glowing, you're becoming a better person, a better version of yourself. And there's a lot of love also, infatuation, attraction, everything is there along with love. And then there's another energy around you who is interested in being with you, but you might not be might not be interested in them. Okay, not necessarily like an energy like a romantic love kind of a thing. It can be a friend, it can be a well wisher, it can be a family member who might be wanting your attention, but right now you are not available for them. You are available for the energy that is super connected to your heart, and that is making you feel like, oh my god, where were you from my whole life? Okay, good to go. So you're heading towards new love, and the other person that you were connected to, they are also getting free from the situation with each passing day. Everything is getting sorted by itself after a long period of struggle. Finally you are feeling happy. Awesome, I'm very happy for you guys. Finally, Eight of Swords, the Star, the Four of Cups in the guidance. Don't allow your overthinking to ruin a very beautiful situation of your life, to ruin your own happiness. You have this tendency to overthink everything in your head and create stories and scenario that are not actually true, that are might be never going to be true in this lifetime, and then feeling upset when things are going to go wrong because of your overthinking and negativity, because you give so much energy to the negative side of the story, to the overthinking part of the story. that it becomes true in your life, because because of the intensity that you give to you that thought or that process, that it becomes a reality. You know, I have seen a lot of people, I knew it, because you yourself feed that thought so brutally that it became your reality. Now it's not like the other person is not wrong or anything like that. They are just showing you the mirror that you thought like this, you are making the story like this, you are giving this much attention to this fact. Let me show you this. It's the universe talking through that person. So instead of making everything wrong in your situation, in your head, try to focus on the good case scenarios, not the best case scenarios, not the worst case scenarios. And the energies will start shifting, and whatever your belief system is from inside, it will start showing up in your 3D world in the form of outcomes. Okay, that is the guidance for you, because after a long period of struggle, after a long period of suffering, finally you are getting a good result, a good life, a good connection, first with yourself and then with other people. Don't ruin it, because you have every tendency to do that. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. You know the rules. Close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is no. So it's a full-fledged no, so I don't have to explain it to you guys. Let me say from the notebook, from the guidebook, sorry. This is most absolute no in the deck, nothing fuzzy or ambiguous. This no means business. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.